Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session on Introduction to C Programming. So let's talk about this concept. So before we step into the concept, let's understand what is the program or what is the programming. Right. A program is defined as a set of instructions which are required to complete a specific task. So this is the definition of a program. So a program is to complete a specific task. Where we'll complete this task? Using of computer. We'll use computer machine to complete a specific task. So how will execute or how will finish this task? By giving set of instructions to this computer. Okay, by giving set of instructions to this computer we can complete any specific task. Right. Now how computer will take set of instructions? How computer will take is, computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic device which accept input, process it and gives the output to the user. So our specific task will be taken by computer. So our task will be given in terms of instructions, which is input, process it and it gives the output. Right. So computer is a machine which will take input. Right. So how to give this input? How to give this input is a question. So as it is a electronic machine, it cannot understand our human language. So it is an electronic machine which understand machine language. This machine language is also called as binary language. Binary means two. The two are 0 and 1. So the input what we are giving is in terms of 0 and 1. So computer is a machine which will understand only this language. Unfortunate that we cannot speak all things in terms of this, right? No one will understand the sentences which will be written in terms of only zeros and ones. So we need a translator where the translator should take the input and should gives to the computer, right? So now look at this. Here is a user who would like to compute or who wanted to print the output which is high. Let us take this example, that he wanted to execute a program which is high, or he wanted to tell the computer which is high. So obviously computer will not understand this high because it is not written in terms of zeros and ones. So there should be a translator in between of these, where translator can take the input of user and it translates this high message to the system understandable level. So when it translates high to system understandable level, it will be treated as some zeros and ones. Now computer can understand, right? Now again computer should give this result to the user. Now user cannot understand this. Again translator is required here, where translator will translate this message to user level. Okay. Now user can receive that same message which is high. So we can see only this. This is my input and this is my output. In between there is a process. Where the process is required to translate the user level language to machine level language. So a programming is required. This translators in order to translate the message of user to the computer, so that we'll get the answer back. So this exactly happens in the computers. Now this high is a general human language, right? So we do have some categories of languages. I'll make another video. So what are languages we will be having, so that I'll make another video. Now let's focus here that whatever user is giving, that will be given to the machine, where machine will have a separate device which is translator, which will translate the original message of user to the system level. Now system level message will be again converted into user level in order to produce the output to the user. So this thing will happens in computers. Okay, right. Now this is general English language. So usually to write a program, where the program just now we defined set of instructions. Now this set of instructions can use or can be written using of programming languages. Using of programming languages. What programming languages we do have is, we have many programming languages. So as I'm willing to make all these videos for the benefit of first year or for the benefit of C learners, so I'm preferring the programming languages from C, C++, Java and Python, Fortran, Ada, PLI, Snowball, COBOL. All these languages are existed. So using of all these languages, we will write some instructions. The instructions which are required to which are required to complete a specific task. Using of these languages, we'll write a specific task, and that instructions will be given to the computer. So now again computer should be forward the program to the translator, where translator will translate to the machine level language, and again it will be given to the translator for the to conversion user level language. Okay, so this is the basic idea of programming, how computer will accept the program and how it will be giving the output to the user. So this is the basic level. So in the next video we'll cover how translator will works, and after we translate this message, how far we are ensure that this is having no error. So who will check these errors, how to rectify the errors, what languages we do have. So that part I'll take the another video. Thank you all.